This is Helpscreen and this is how to add Revolut Card to Apple Wallet. So this is a step-by-step guide, so simply follow along. So guys, in order for you to do this is first things first, you need to go to the device settings and then after that go to the wallet and Apple Pay. As you can see on the screen, under payment cards section, tap on add card and then tap on the type of card which best describe your situation. For this case, I'll go with debit or credit card and then just hit continue. After that, tap on enter card details manually and then from there guys, just provide your Revolut card details and then after that, just hit next and then from there you'll be able to add a Revolut card to Apple Wallet. So guys, just simply follow the guide steps that I'm showing you on the screen. And then from there, you should be able to solve this issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.